something else. You're not acting yourself. I don't know what to say. Keep saying I'm the cause of all of this. The truth is we don't know who is really to blame. Could it be you're sad to be at school, and I'm happier than I can say I've been in quite a while. It's hard to empathize. Sometimes I find that I cannot relate to what you have to say. Times like these when I have doubts, like to remind myself out loud of all that's passed between us. Hope your reminder is the same and that you're happier today. When you call, I hope I'm here so we can talk this out and you can get some rest. I'd like to think we know each other well.